I'm
What's up,
dying over here, man. I'm
YouTube? We're here
exhausted.
about the Battlefield 5. Johnny, first day off in 2 weeks. He's
Yes,
about to
sir.
join us too. Bird is here. Fly like a bird.
I only fly away. Hey.
Yes, sir. Alright, Bird. Where you at? You still in that plane? Okay. What level is this?
Tank mode.
Okay. Ooh. You got a tank. Is that a 3C tank? I'll take a seat.
Battlefield 5 is engaged.
We have taken objective Dora.
I've got room for you in the squad, John. Hey, we should get Lord over here. Let me send my invite. Quickly. Alright, man. If he comes, because I wasn't Battlefield 4 just now and he backed out.
Be aware that we have lost objective
Move it,
Tank.
tank. Good with an alpha. Blow hole in them roof.
Da drüben! Das ist verdammt gefährlich!
Man, them bastards. Oh shit, coffee's in the way. Join in, man. Join in. Got room for two of you. You and Johnny. Join in. Hey, Bird, remember, I can only see front way, yeah? I can't see nothing else.
Bird.
I'm just shooting, I can't see nothing. Oh, upstairs, upstairs, I see him.
Good job.
He jumped down, he jumped.
Johnny, fight. What are Johnny fight with?
I'm gonna jump out. Are you guys beside me? Oh, he's fucking got my tag. Oh. No, they should update that shit. I'm going in the plane. Where was that just now? Where was that? Was that Alpha? Was the Alpha, right? Bombs away.
Objective Dora has been lost.
Ooh, got hits on some people. We'll get some ammo. Drop these bitches up.
Objective Caesar is ours.
Fucking flap. Oh shit! No, there's a tank behind us, you know. And a jet. Yeah, got a tank. Booyah, got a jet behind us. Booyah!
We have lost objective Gustav.
Get some repair. What, you jumped out? Oh shit, shit, I'm out of the red zone.
Fighting soldier.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Give me a fight
5. John and us, we got room.
I know, man. It's fight.
I'm streaming, I can't stop the invite now. Let's go further. Got a rocket coming in, dude.
Good work. Objective Emil is now ours. Soldiers, we have lost objective Bertha.
Going to Bravo or Alpha? Got a jet following me. Yeah, got it out of the tank. Yeah. Damn plane following me.
Yeah.
We have now taken objective Bertha.
Trying. I'm gonna plane on my freaking ass. Oh shit, my pizza is finished. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
We have taken objective Friedrich.
I'm gonna die.
That man in your squad. What? Allies or... What side y'all on?
Marcus?
Allies or
Well
Axis?
done. We have taken objective Anton.
Oh, man in your squad.
Stay in the fight, soldier.
No, he's in our squad in a minute, I guess. Oh shit.
Hey, Rambo, let's keep a line to the roll me quick. And
I'm trying. I have to go get up. Freaking get my. I have to go get my pizza out the oven now.
You show puppy?
Damn. The oven just went off. Shit.
Hey, what's this?
We won. We have lost objective Friedrich.
We got a tank right there. Oh shit. Hold on, guys. I have to go get this pizza out the
What
oven. Shit.
you
2
guys
seconds.
doing right now? I'm in airplane with a Lambo.
Oh shit. Ties of war.
We have taken objective Dora.
I think I'm in squad.
Done it. Objective Caesar is ours.
Game 4, kill carrier.
Coming back around. We're losing Echo. Where's Echo? Where's Echo? Oh, Echo is the bridge.
We have lost objective
Shit, gonna be hard to bomb that. Let's get these bombs out.
Do not leave the combat area, soldier.
No, he was asleep.
Fucking flat gun on a bomb. Fuck out of here. Oh shit. Nice. Oh, I'm going back to spawn to get some ammo.
So, Orlando. Orlando.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, so when a Jamaican guy dick slaps a bitch upside the head, does it say Bumblecock or Bumblecock?
Bombo roll.
Bumblecock! Shabbat!
There's a Delta. There's a tank right here. Hold up, hold up.
I'm in the tank now.
Damn, I didn't. What objective are you on? Sorry, Lodge. Sorry, Johnny. Where is he at, John? Bird. What objective? Talk to me. I'm coming back. Oh, you're in the plane.
Hey, Bird. In his defense, all white guys look alike, so, you know. Oh.
Oh shit. This bitch wanna kill me. I gotta jump.
Objective Gustav is now ours.
Whoa.
We must fight harder. We are losing this.
I'm going to Delta.
Attention, we have lost objective Caesar.
Yeah.
Where you guys are? I'm going Delta. If you die spawn on me, I'll see enemies over here.
Objective Friedrich has been
One
lost.
up in there.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Oh, hold on. Let me get my pizza up over in 2 seconds.
We have taken objective Friedrich.
It must be crispy like a bastard.
Objective Gustav is lost.
Oh shit! You got my tank.
Oh, you came out, you gave the tank away.
Yeah, I gave a tank away.
Not because we're losing, Lord.
We have taken objective Caesar.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm coming back now, guys. What is? What is? Oh, look how many enemies. Holy shit. I see them. I see them. Come on. Drop some bombs, nigga. Drop some bombs, nigga. Yo, I got 2. The bloody plane is back on my ass again. They're all on Echo. I'm coming back. Drop this big bomb over there, Echo. And here's freaking shit. Where's Echo? Where's Echo? Come on, come on, come on.
We have taken objective Gustav.
Oh, got another one. Coming back again. Let me get some of the bombs. Oh man, I ain't got time for to get them bombs. I'm going to drop it right now.
Soldiers, we
I'm
have
going back
lost
to Echo.
objective
Going back to Echo. The bridge. No, nothing. Yeah, I got to go back get some bombs. I got to get some bombs. Coming back. Coming back. Coming back, dude. Ain't got no bombs ready yet. I'm just shooting my gun. Take a different angle. I'm coming back from a different angle. Okay, bombs ready. Ah, game done. We lost by 16. You guys almost let me burn my pizza.
Looking for the traders outside the door.
Hmm?
Tell my wife. Sound like the train was outside
What your wife
the door.
saying?
He better be outside the door in a minute.
Get up.
Whoop his ass, miss. How many so many kills I got? What's this? Customize. What map is it next? Armada? Is that the sniping map, right? Yeah. My shit.
I don't like this map.
I'm trying to. Down and dirty. That's my thing.
Down and dirty. Okay, Alpha is their spawn. Let's hold on Alpha.
That's my go-to move.
Let's try hold on Alpha. There's a big cannon up here. I want that big cannon.
Alle Positionen unter Kontrolle! Gib sie nicht mehr her!
I got a bomb in my sight. Moving in and
Got
engaged.
2 or 3. Okay.
Bird.
I got a gun up here. I need a gun. Hey. Oh, there's a guy right there. Oh, they stole his ass. Another one.
We have put down the first of the soldiers.
Man, this gun is vibrating. There's a truck right here, gunner. Blow this fucker up. Oh shit!
Bomber down.
Oh, JR. Where were you last night, boy?
I was on yesterday. Me and Bob were on yesterday. And you were on
see you.
with Twiggy and 4. I tried to get on.
Hey, what's
I couldn't
up?
get on.
I was on
It
all
took me
day.
forever, bro.
What's happening, man?
Shit, just fucking
The guy's
finally
in
got a day
Alpha.
off work, man.
Oh, man.
I've been doing the 7-day-a-week thing. It's fucking kicking my ass.
I did that for a long
Be aware,
time.
we have lost objective
Oh
Delta.
yeah, it's necessary if you want to get ahead, but it sucks.
Oh, I know.
Come on,
He's
where you
gonna
at?
send me an invite.
Okay, I don't know how to do it, but I will.
Oh shit, Matthew was in the party.
Yeah, Matt was, yeah.
I didn't hear him.
We are now
My brother.
losing objective Anton.
Hey, we got truck, we got truck.
Yeah, you know that's Orlando's brother. Yeah, actual brother.
Yeah!
Here, I don't know how to send an invite, JR, but explain to me what to do now, dude.
Let me see. Hold on a second. Who's in your squad?
Hey, there's a truck coming up across, guys.
It's a full squad, so we'll have to do 2 squads.
Yeah.
Hey, we lost Bravo.
I'm at Bravo now.
There's a lot of guys on the hillside, man. Hillside. Cross from Alpha. There's somebody on my right.
Let me see if I can just join your game. I'm trying to join your game at least.
Bravo coming in.
Oh shit, got behind me.
You guys are in Hamada, right?
Mm-hmm.
Big board?
Mm-hmm.
I'm joining the game. I'm gonna excited.
Yeah, tell me when you're in, we'll squad up.
Yeah, I was on with Boba yesterday.
I was on all day.
Yeah, you on 4, but I couldn't join you. I couldn't get you a message. I sent you a
I was on 4 and on. Oh shit! There's another one. Fuck!
Whoa, what the hell shooting me?
I'm reloading! Fucking reload! Hang on, Johnny. Don't you do it.
Oh, so close.
Don't you do it.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Man, I will kill that guy and start to reload.
I don't have my timing on this fucking shit yet. I gotta get it down.
I'm on your team.
Bravo.
I got you up.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Nope. Not even close. Sorry, I showed that kill.
Oh, more guys! More guys!
Wait, 3 more, 3 more.
Oh!
Oh, I saw that. That sucks. Because I get mad.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn Alpha again.
I gotta fuck with my settings.
Oh, I got killed. Mine went off on Alpha. Look at this guy. Oh shit.
So Orlando, I got 4 different types of weed right now.
Shit.
Yeah,
jealous,
yeah.
huh?
Everything under the sun, man. It's all good too.
Make me jealous. Show off.
What'd you think about that little honey I've been hooking up with? She's fucking hot, right?
You got no sister?
Shit.
Up
Oh
into
yeah,
Lord shit.
she's Brazilian. Yeah, she's fucking hot. Dude.
Give me a tag, bitch.
She's spicy though. You don't say the wrong shit in front of her. I'll tell you what.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Bravo.
The guy. Oh, bitch, drop down. Come on, give me the kill. Got him. Oh shit, behind me. Whoa.
I stepped in for you.
Johnny dead.
Oh, damn! Just got bombed.
Objective Bertha is ours.
Yeah. Marcus, I'm busy. What?
Halfway to victory.
Damn, he's right in front of me. Look at this guy.
Man, you
Sorry about
Lost objective Anton.
that. We lost Alpha.
Okay, you're in a full squad, JR. Just so you know.
Oh yeah, I am. Okay, you want to make a squad?
Yeah, let's make a
join you?
squad. Okay, hold on. All right, it's
The bomb is screaming. Woo-wee. The guy to my left. Holy shit. I knew it. I heard.
All right.
Hey, they're coming from Bravo to Alpha. Alpha to Bravo, sorry.
Bravo. All right. Hey, John, where you want to go? You set up that squad?
yeah, it's item.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah, the Russian is here. Headshot!
Damn, I'm just getting murked.
Headshot! Guy on the right.
No.
Battlefield 5.
Operations or something.
There's an echo. Bomb echo.
Oh, he took my kill. Damn.
Oh yeah.
There's
I'm
somebody
not,
here.
but I can see that.
Attention, we have lost objective Emil.
You gotta upgrade it.
Good, we've taken objective Anton.
Good fire.
Hey,
Evening.
Marcelo,
Oh,
man, I
shit.
was on the other day. I forgot who I was on with. I was in a full squad. You said you invite me, but I couldn't.
I just see 2 guys over here.
Objective Gustav
To the west.
has been lost.
sit down! This dude empty old clip and I sidestep all these bullets and pow! Headshot, pipping! Where the fuck is the other guy? There's another guy. Where the hell is he go?
Be aware that objective Taser has
Dude,
been lost.
dude, you also see that shit? Oh man, if I wasn't streaming, I'd save that thing right there, man. It's an awesome shot. Bitch behind me again. Oh.
We are losing ground
So,
in this battle.
JR, I asked Orlando when he dick slaps girls here, he says, Bumbacock!
Yeah, man, you sit down, your blood clot, you big man talk. Oh, we're losing all objective inland, guys.
But she can't even
Yeah,
get mad
they don't-
because, you know...
I'm going at Echo.
Okay, I'm going that way too. Pardon me. Yes, eat and bilge.
Yeah, I had to freaking wait in queue forever.
Hold on, guys.
We are losing
Let me do a little bit of
objective
camping
Dora.
right here, see if I see anybody. Give me a second.
Look. No, it's not too bad.
What the hell I shot? Sound like somebody gonna die.
You hear an Echo.
I'm in Charlie. You guys got Echo already. I'm going Charlie.
Again, I'm at Foxtrot.
That's where I know fly that jet, the plane about to lift off, running down the runway. And I took him out clean. Could somebody bomb Charlie for me?
Oh man, there's two guys in the back of Echo. There's two guys back.
Hey, Brett, don't come fuck this
Me
shit
and
up
JR
now, Brett.
Our Jiu-Jitsu Johnny and JR have room in their squad. We have room for 2 guys.
Just drop it.
I'm
Just
going
drop
to golf,
it.
bro.
Taking it, but just drop that bitch. Just in case
There are
somebody's died.
dudes right up here. I just seen bullets a second ago, so there is someone here. There he is.
Yep.
There's 2 of them.
Okay, we got it.
I got one of them.
Nice shooting.
And you got
There's
one.
another one over there by the boxes.
Yeah.
Moving to Alpha
Nice
here.
shot. There's another one coming up the rocks. Oh, he got me.
Stay alive.
Nice. You're crushing these fools over here.
Oh, come on.
Guy right there, guy right there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Got him. Hang on.
That's how we
Hey.
do.
Hey,
Pass auf deine Wunden.
I got you, I got you.
Bob,
Hope we don't get
there's
killed. Hope we
guys
don't
in the
get killed. I
back.
got you,
All the way in
nigga.
the
I
back,
got
I
you.
got
Go, 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 go. You gotta be very, very quiet. We're hunting rabbits.
I like the plug.
We're hunting rabbits.
hey, did you all set up your
Oh shit. Hey, guy by me.
blow rate and everything?
I haven't
Where's
said
he good?
anything
Where's
else.
he good? Where's he good? Where's he good? Hey. Well disciplined VC. Got him.
Well, yesterday, me and Bob, he showed me how to set up the blow rate and everything. Oh,
Why did
man,
I
this
find
is
that
so much
out?
better
Stuff
now.
is now ours.
You set up what?
The blow rate, you know, when you turn, you don't get anything blurry. Everything, the setup is excellent.
Man, just use
Oh, I
4K.
need to do that. Yeah, I got 4K
No,
too.
it's the settings. It's the settings on in the game.
On the what?
The gameplay settings. Let me tell you, Lambo, it's so much better.
Objective Dora is now ours.
I think I did mine. Yeah, I did mine. That's what I told you. You could put on your kill cam thing on it. That's
I'm
not
moving on
bullshit.
in there.
I'm going down there, man. I can't come in close to this big long glass sniper rifle. Guy by the ammo crate. By the ammo crate. Got a hit on him. There's another one.
Wow, I got hurt, boy, big time.
Oh, he's
Another one
not.
down there.
What the fuck?
Yeah, yeah.
We have lost objective Bertha, soldier.
Ammo crate. Guy by ammo crate. Easy down.
Yeah. I'm
Got him.
down.
He's down now. I'm going down.
It's a huge difference, actually.
Your movement. Your movement, dude.
You gotta go to options.
Oh, on my movements, on my right.
Dead? We can go to options. I'll show you what to do.
Well, go where? Options? And do
options,
what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We go to options. Hold
Gameplay?
on. Go. Options? No. Go all the way to video.
Yeah.
Okay. And the first one, your brightness is up to you. I got it at 55%.
Yeah.
The next one down, field of view, 74%. Okay.
Yeah.
The next one down is 74%.
Yeah.
ADS field of view, turn it on.
Yeah.
Motion blur, 0.
Yeah.
ADS, DOS effect.
Motion blur is 0?
Yeah.
Yes.
Be quick, I'm streaming.
Okay.
Put the DOF effects off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then skip all the color stuff. That's up to you.
Yeah.
Well, I
And
like
then
that.
go down
Yeah,
to the
I've got
bottom
my carbon
4.
shit on.
Yeah.
Turn the bottom 4 off.
Go over
Off.
the okay, but
Off.
go over the numbers
Off.
again.
Off.
Okay, the top one. Okay, let me go
Okay,
from
let's
the
try
top.
that. Let's
the
try that.
brightness is up to
Yeah.
you. I got mine on 55%.
I got mine at 70.
Okay, it's up to you. Field of view, 74.
Okay, hold on.
Let's try this shit. See what you say.
Okay.
The vehicle 3P field of view, 74.
Okay.
Okay. The ADS, put it on.
Nehmt euch davor in Acht!
Put it on. Okay. Motion blur 0.
0.
ADS are off.
Off.
And then the rest
And
off.
then the bottom 4, the chromatic, abbreviation, the film grain, the vignette, and the lens distortion, all off.
Okay, yeah, that's
Gotcha.
a lot different.
Yeah, I can see my
There you
screen
go.
look a bit. I don't know if it was the same.
Oh, ADS field, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'll just hold on.
I'm gonna look down on Bravo.
ADS field of view on. Off.
Attention, objective Friedrich has been lost.
We've got bomber coming to Alpha here too.
Yeah, mine's
When you
weird,
told me
too.
that shit yesterday, I was like, oh my god, thank you.
No wonder they can see us, so we can't see them.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
I just got hit by a shooting sniper fire.
We're from
Right
Alpha
outside the
side.
other side of this shit. What are we
Oh, we
doing?
lost Bravo. I'm on. I'm between Bravo and Alpha. We're losing Alpha now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that guy way across.
Objective Anton is
Oh, somebody killed him. Oh, he's still alive. He's still alive. Come on, come on, come on. That was a bit off. Oh,
We
there
have
you go.
lost objective
Yeah, all that shit off.
I killed
on,
that
come
dude
on.
near the tank. Yeah, but I think the tank is still alive.
Soldaten! Seht ihr?
I don't have any.
Come on.
There's a guy behind the tank.
Where?
Yeah. I'm hurting.
Alpha? I'm coming that way. Trying to kill a guy across Bravo. I'm coming Alpha. Oh
Yeah, I
shit!
do.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I see him.
I'm
Who's on the
colorblind,
tank?
so
Who's
I
on the
use
tank?
Protopia.
Oh, that's a
maybe
friendly
we'll
right
talk
there. Shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, he's up on the second
Behind you on
floor.
Alpha on the gun.
Seht ihr das da drüben? Seid verdammt fest!
You see the difference, though? There's a big difference.
Guy right there spotted. Oh shit. Oh!
You going to Foxtrot?
So yeah, so
Mine is
yes,
50, man.
55.
mine was. I had to go to Holly's house, my ex-wife's, to get my first.
Oh, there's two guys right there. Oh shit.
Titles to my vehicles, and of course her new boyfriend had stayed the night, so I had to wait for that little fag to leave, and then went and talked to her. First time I talked to her in person, like 4 months. Yeah, I got my shit back. I got titles to my vehicles. I got title to my
the other
Baja,
guy
my
got me.
Cadillac, my birth certificate. Fuck.
She had your birth certificate. She hold
He's up
your
on the
ass,
top,
nigga.
Foxtrot.
fucking
Can't.
shit.
Yep. Now I can get a passport. I want to get a passport.
Oh,
Just
yo,
fucking
yo, this
international traveling.
freaking rocket almost killed me. I need a medic after this drop.
Damn.
Good work. Objective Gustav is ours.
Where we going, Bravo?
Yeah, I'm heading that way. If I can make it.
Oh shit.
Hey, we got enemies down
Da
there.
drüben! Verdammt
In Bravo.
gefährlich!
Holy shit.
Come on.
Oh my god. Wow, dude. 15 minutes of fucking muscle convulsions. I know shit your sword. Holy fuck. Hey, there's better ways to try to get a six-pack.
Achtung jetzt! Das ist gefährlich!
Oh, collateral damage, is it? It is! We kill each other.
Where is he, John?
I can't tell, dude. He's down below me. He's like laying down. I can't really. He's standing up now.
Yeah.
Oh shit! She screamed at you.
Dudes. Talk about the game, guys. Remember, I'm streaming here, boys. Talk about the game. Fuck the manager.
Objective Gustav is lost.
We got tank beneath Alpha. Is it Alpha here? Yeah, tank on the left side of Alpha to the east mark. We got bomber coming in. I'm looking back to Bravo again.
Where are we going? Bravo?
I'm looking at Bravo,
I
yeah.
don't know, man.
I'm looking
I
at
was
Bravo.
thinking.
We almost been in this one, man.
Alright,
Bravo.
I'll go
There's
to
a tank in
Bravo.
Bravo. There's a tank in the back of Bravo, and here goes our tank.
One back on Alpha too.
Damn, man.
Objective Beasley.
There's a tank up. Tank up.
Objective Emil is now ours.
This is gonna be suicide. It's gonna be suicide. I detonate off his shit.
Oh, you're going around the back, John. Nice move.
Attention, objective Nova is now lost.
Somebody's here. Somebody's here. We got tank.
Objective Anton
Panzer
is
kommt
lost.
näher!
Oh, he's dead already. We got tank.
Oh, behind us, John. Oh, behind your back. Watch, John.
I hit the wrong button.
He got me. I turned around as fast as I could.
I know. That's what it
There's a
was.
tank on Bravo by the flag.
Yeah.
Oh
That's what me and
shit!
John were just
Yeah.
There's a guy right there too. Gunner.
Gotta go to Charlie and run over.
Granate ist unterwegs!
On the flag on Bravo. I got hit with a grenade for 98.
Yeah.
That guy coming upon us. Damn! Oh! There is a guy in the objective, man. Where you at? Who is this? Montreal? What are you doing out here?
I got cool breeze.
I'm going on this fucking gunner right here.
Oh, shit.
I want to see somebody up close. Oh, there's a guy right there.
Habt ihr das gesehen?
Oh shit,
Seid
right side
vorsichtig.
toward Bravo.
Oh,
Fuck over his head. There's two of them coming in.
How did you get there that fast?
Fucking hit me and I couldn't hit him.
We are doing well.
Die, bitch. Hey, Bird, can I pick you up? Hold on, Bird. Hang on, Bird.
Good
Fuck.
work. Objective Anton taken.
I was putting on some.
Or be dead.
Alright, I'm in with you,
I was
bro.
putting on some. I got hit on somebody over there.
And this
I
is
was
straight
putting on a
ahead.
chop thingy.
Straight ahead shooting.
Yeah, I know. Over that
Seid
side.
wachsam!
Over that side where I marked up. Where I marked up.
What were you eating? I'm gonna eat some ribs pretty quick.
There he is. Fucking pop your head up.
I hit him.
There's a sniper over there. Sniper across.
Ja, das ist gefährlich.
Yeah, sniper is dead.
The snipers across.
Got him.
We have lost objective
Cool
Caesar.
breeze.
Genau da. Gefährlich.
This is a bad angle in this tank.
Oh, there's two.
I'm
Two.
only
Shit,
seeing a
shit,
little
shit,
bit.
shit, shit. Get up and move, Olama. Move. Hey, they're on Alpha by the ammo crate.
Anton has been lost.
One hit me, one hit me.
Hold on, stay right here, Brett.
I'm dead.
Das da.
To the right.
Dort
He's
müsst
to the
ihr
right.
vorsichtig sein.
I'm getting out.
Woo! Hey, I want to pick you up, but I'm gonna die if I pick you up.
Oh shit! What happened to my
Taking
gun?
objective Costa.
Oh! Saw his ass. Saw his ass.
That's stupid. Put the fucking ammo on. Why am I got my hammer on? I'm trying to kill guys.
Hey, Montreal, that sniper is very close over there.
Seid wachsam.
Yeah,
Seht ihr das?
maybe more than
We
one.
no longer have control of objective
Montreal, flag.
Costa.
2 on the flag. 2 on the flag. 3.
Habt ihr das gesehen? Seid vorsichtig.
We have taken objective
Got one.
Granate geworfen.
Markle, Markle, Markle.
Got him, baby. Beautiful.
Oh shit, I missed this dude head. Fuck! Damn, you lucky. We do. We have to speak
I think
too
we
because
got
the game is
3.
only too many people.
Because you can only have 4 people in the
Liam
squad.
dice.
That is kind of what it is.
Oh, you mean like HSF and all that shit?
Yeah, we do. It's HSS, man. American Hyper Submission Fighting. Or it's attacking heroes, swatting flies.
I didn't do too bad.
Yeah, shooting airplanes out of the sky.
What did I
No
do?
fly zone, yep. That's exactly right.
1711. What is say I need to do?
It's somebody's life support.
And 1,000 score while in a mobile ground league. Oh shit. Need to use
That's what it
tank.
sounds like.
Damn.
That's funny.
What map is this? Panzer Storm. What is Panzer Storm again?
That's probably what it is.
I'm the only chick in the game, huh? I'm the only chick on the squad. Hey there, boys. Hey Jay, I want to run medical class again.
Shut up, Mavis.
Not on this friggin' board.
Ah shit, I spawned in too soon. Who's in the tank? Who's the tank? I need a ride. Where's the tanks at? Come give me a ride.
We have eliminated
I need to
all
hear some
objective
tank points.
Costa.
No tank, no planes. Look at this. Come on, man.
Where the tanks at? Hey Montreal,
No tanks, no
come pick
planes.
me up.
I'm going echo.
Oh, what's that? Go, 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 go! Wait! I thought that Battlefield 4 can only square and jump. Anyway, man, there's Lord is squad leader. Where we going?
Das da. Dort müsst ihr vorsichtig sein.
I'm trying to get the echo on.
Oh shit, Charlie's hot already. I'm gonna bail out this Jeep right now. Must be a tank over there. We're going Delta. You know they're gonna come hot, right? with a suck medic class. And it gun sucks.
We have now taken objective Bertha.
Jeep, chop, 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 chop.
We have now taken objective Dora. Keep it up. We have enough objectives to sway the outcome of this fight.
Da drüben! Verdammt
Hey, where
gefährlich!
you at, squad? I'm in Charlie. Where the fuck you guys at?
I'm at Echo, and I just got a couple of guys already.
No, no, who's in my squad? Where you at?
Shit.
They get your ass down there, man. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe one bit.
Attention, we have lost
Yeah,
objective
no.
Emil.
Oh man, friggin' 2 tanks.
Man, I just warmed up some baby
Oh, yeah,
back ribs.
somebody.
I'm gonna have to go to Delta. My wife's cooking them in the oven right now.
Nice.
She put some
Objective Caesar is ours.
duck sauce on it. Oh man.
What?
Where y'all at? Where y'all
This I
at?
told the medic class sucks, man. This gun, this little freaking.
I know.
I'm going
that's
DMR.
why I can't.
Oh,
can't
got
be a
kill
medic.
assist. But damn, I'm going DMR, man. Okay, I'm taking a. Where's the tank at?
We can't find a tank. Everybody has tanks and we took the plane.
Okay, I'm in a tank.
What are you chewing on?
Got tank up top. Echo.
Mark it, mark it, mark it.
Mark. Where's Big Bomber? Bomber.
I'm in Delta. There's somebody here though. Because
Hey, Bird, got to turn this sucker around. I can't see, Bird. Turn this sucker around. Getting up. We did. Shit, look at that tank. Way over there. Churchill.
he's laying down.
Alright,
He's
Montreal.
laying down
Let's
in
go,
the grass.
Montreal.
Yeah.
Alright, give me aerial then. Where's Charlie?
John, I want to spawn on
I
you.
spawn on Charlie.
Are you
Aerial
Delta?
spawn.
Hey, I'm at Delta.
Okay, I'm coming.
All right, look, there's a guy in the back here.
100 meters up.
Come over here.
100 meters up.
Get up on the.
I'm good.
I'm get up here on top of
Hold
the
your
roof.
ground, hold your ground.
Okay.
Dig in. I hear gunfire. Dig in. Something heavy.
Got him right on top.
Oh, that
Oh,
bitch snapped
he
my
got me.
head
The
out,
tank got me.
dude.
I hit the
Shit.
tank though. John, stay alive. Hold
I'm
on.
bust
let me.
man.
It's not letting me get you. Fuck!
No, don't worry. Just stay alive there. Oh, the
Montreal,
tank
there's a
got
guy
me
right in the
there.
middle. There's a guy right in the middle.
Ich habe hier freie Sicht.
We're at what base?
Bei mir und
No bullshit. One of those bunches.
I know. Can't spawn anywhere.
Damn, hit that fucking truck with one more round, dude. Hit that truck with one more round.
Come on, man. No tanks, nothing.
Pick up a plane or some shit, man.
Objective Gustav is ours.
No planes, nothing. There's
I hit the truck with a freaking
Oh,
Pia
fuck
and it
truck.
went pew!
We need a tank going over to Foxtrot. Start taking Foxtrot. Well, Echo.
I'm on sure. Where's that staircase to come up here? Where's that place to come up here? How do you get up here? Don't put that shit down. I'm gonna put that thing down. I was thinking to put that trap by the staircase. This guy's all over down there now. There's one. Oh shit! They got in front of you, dude. There's a guy going to Delta too. I spotted him going up there. Where is he? Where'd he go? I don't feel safe.
They're here.
Attention, objective Bertha has been lost.
find you in a minute. We
Where?
got a tank. Oh, there's a guy right here.
It's a tank.
Hier! Ihr müsst vorsichtig sein!
Come on, man. We need a tank at Echo.
Oh shit! Oh shit! A creeper! 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 Whoa! 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 Come on! Counted the kill. Damn!
They got a tank at Echo here. All on the other side.
Oh, guy right here! Hey, hey, hey! Two guys right by the truck! Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Yeah, let me change this class to a beacon.
Yeah, I'm
I ain't
on
got no
the
beacon. I ain't got no beacon in this class.
Yeah, man, we need a tank over here. There's a tank somewhere in the back shooting
Oh yeah, I
shit
got a
out of
beacon
everything.
too.
Yep. I see him.
Let me
Look.
change this thing. I don't really use this.
I got a hit on him.
Let's see.
There's,
Okay. Where you at? Where you at, One Tree?
We have taken objective
Oh shit.
Delta.
man, it's... Brett, come over here with that tank, dude.
Oh, that tank is
you?
right here.
Behaltet den Panzer im Auge.
Ain't got nothing for him.
Feindlicher Panzer in Sicht.
That's the, I'm going elsewhere. I'm going up in the bushes to put a beacon down somewhere. Holy bitch, he saw me. I'm gone.
Soldiers, we are losing
I ain't going
objective
over there again.
Gustav.
Look at him still shooting.
I ain't going over there.
George.
That's where I'm going.
Giddy mean.
Where is he?
He's way over there behind you. Who is this, Lord? Oh. No, Lord just spawned on me. Hey, Lord. Oh, Lord, there should be two guns out here in the woods. In the field. Like, facing Delta. You could probably jump on it. What can I see down here? Oh, see a guy lying down right there.
Achtung jetzt!
And there's another one by the
Das ist
tank.
gefährlich.
Give me a headshot. Yo! What a headshot! What's the range?
I
Not too
killed
long,
the
but
vehicle.
good nice
We
headshot.
have
Kill one.
lost objective Caesar.
Hey, Lord, we got low movements.
No,
Delta.
I got him on mines. I don't have mines.
Seht euch das
I'm in
an!
gold.
Gefährlich,
I
oder?
got a tank, a big truck over there, I think.
Much.
Lord, let's push into Delta.
Objective Gustav has been lost.
Is that you or Lord? Montreal? Okay.
All right, now relax. I'm over.
We got a tank.
There's two tanks here at Gulf, so I'm gonna try to put down some more mines here.
Oh, you got a tank in front.
Seht ihr?
Oh shit, he stopped it. The gunner. Got the gunner, boy, I'm dead. The tank got me.
Attention, objective
Yeah.
Phoenix has been lost.
Pick me up. Where's the
Sanitäter!
tank coming? He's coming. He's coming.
Good work, objective Dora is ours.
Run! Run! He don't see you, Montreal. There's a guy right by you, Montreal. There's a guy right by you. We got beacon over here by Foxtrot and Gulf. We got a tank right here, Munchie.
Panzer, da drüben.
On my beacon.
So you got Delta?
Gulf.
Yeah, I got killed by the tank at Gulf.
Yeah, that tank is gone.
We're taking objective
I'm on
Caesar
Gulf now. I'm here
2-0.
with you. Tank is coming back. The tank is coming
Right,
back.
isn't it? I told you. A lot. It's great. I don't either.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, that was
4K too.
gefährlich.
Oh shit, there's 2 tanks. I'm playing on the 4K monitor at the moment. Did you got 2 tanks?
Damn. It's Delta. They got.
We've
Gulf.
taken
Yeah.
objective Anton.
One outside Gulf and one on Gulf.
And there's one on Delta. There's a tank on
Objective
Delta
is now
too.
ours.
I'm gonna try to put down some mines here.
I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. I hear him.
Yeah. All right.
Whoa! Fuck! Jesus Christ! Oh.
Damn it. Okay. That was in a fucking way.
They're on Gulf. The tank down there ain't got nothing for him, man. I'm spawning on Delta with you
He's a guy
guys.
in Delta.
Jesus Christ. I'm getting bored of this game, actually. I better put on some music and smoke a joint.
Seht ihr das? Verdammt gefährlich.
Oh man, he blew me up. He blew me up. Oh no.
Granate ist unterwegs. Ich flieg dich zusammen.
I'm taking a chance. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Somebody just pulled up in a truck. Was it friendly?
Who's in the plane?
Hey, we got tank here! Tank, 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 tank! Oh, okay. I have to change my sniping class. Now I'm changing sniping. Hey, there's a tank on the outside. No, friendly tank. We got friendly tank coming up. Oh. Enemy tank right here. I'm gonna blow him up. Hey, blow that tank! I'm blowing his ass up. Got him on his tank.
Oh shit, man.
Where'd the bitch go? He's dead?
Ich krieg dich wieder zusammen.
Trying to pick you up, trying to pick you up, trying to pick you up.
Danke, Soldat.
Yeah. Another guy here. Got him.
I got a tank, but it's gonna take forever and a day to get there.
I hear another tank on my right. Coming from Gulf side. Is he dead?
Hey, bring that plane over the storm. That storm.
Seht ihr das? Verdammt gefährlich.
Hey, we got guy in the right side, right side, right side.
Seid wachsam. Seht ihr das?
There's one on sharp right, sharp right. Yep. stand and die like a well-disciplined VC. Yep, chucking a bomb down there. Man moving. Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Yep. On my right! You almost fucking me up! You almost got me. You saved my shit, boy. You saved my shit.
I'm coming in this tank now.
Yeah, you did.
Well done, we have taken objective 10.
Where? Oh shit.
Kill him!
Got him. Hey, oh shit! Right side again, guys. Right side from the ammo crate.
They're coming in.
Oh, I got that guy in the truck killing me.
I shot the shit out of that plane. Bring him over to base, Brett.
Hey, I'm getting surrounded back here.
Got no plane. Ooh, I got a plane.
Well,
I got a
home
plane, I
base.
got a plane, I
Come
got
to
a
your
plane.
right. Come over to your right. He's chasing
What
you.
objective?
Come
Talk to
your
me,
right.
guys. Objective again.
You
Oh, I
turn
see them.
around,
Keep them
the
off.
other way.
Habt ihr das gesehen? Seid vorsichtig!
There you go.
Dropping bombs, dropping bombs, dropping bombs. Nothing.
Drop bombs on me.
Where you at?
Wow, I beat the shit out of that.
Tree line, tree line. Oh, the wrong thing on just now.
Be aware that objective
Okay, I'm coming back to Charlie. Coming back to Charlie. Freaking bum on my ass. I got a jet on my ass. Where's Charlie?
Oh, I messed him up.
Yep, it is Charlie. I'm good. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. My screen is shaking. Bombs away.
That bomb was
Lord, shoot!
I can't see him because he keeps fucking.
come straight.
I'm at top. Well,
Jump, Lord, jump! We couldn't even get the jump. Damn.
Both of those planes crashed.
Alright, come on, spawning. Hey, we got a tank right side. Oh, that's friendly.
Seid wachsam!
Is it?
Killed him. I
watch
killed
out,
him.
Shane. There's a tank out there.
Hey, we got a guy in front of you. Look at him laying down.
I killed that jet. That
Toasted
plane.
with jelly. We got tank across, Charlie.
Zieh weg hier!
He's marked. See him? Straight across.
doing well, but
Yes,
the battle
sir.
is not
I
over
got
yet.
ammo for you, whatever this is. Bird, I got ammo. Stop. No, I got it.
Give me that bastard.
I
Took his
one
tag.
down.
Yeah, I took his neck off. Took his tag. Chopping him in his head. I'm flanking far.
Genau da! Es ist
Oh, he's
gefährlich!
empty.
You gotta
Flanking
get on
far,
your butt.
far.
Come over to the base.
Objective 2 right.
Far right.
Coming in the tank again. Tiger.
Man, couldn't believe I didn't hit that guy.
Ooh.
Achtung! Gefahr da drüben!
Ooh, I hit
Shit.
that Spitfire. I hit him.
Aufpassen, Soldaten! Seht ihr?
My family just got hit too.
Bravo, bravo.
Hear this. Objective Bertha has been lost.
Hit him with Spitfire.
Where the fuck is the guy right here?
I'm moving to get Bravo.
There's a freaking guy right here. Where the hell is he?
Where
the fuck is he?
This way. You can stay near me, Brett, and you won't hear. We're not coming this way. I'm taking these things out.
I see enemy extra. Hey,
Seht
hey!
euch das
Across,
an?
across!
Gefährlich, oder?
More than two. The whole squad coming in from across.
We have taken Objective Bertha.
Fucking hell! Reload, bitch! Come on!
Good
jumped
work.
out.
We have taken Objective Delta.
You jumped out.
Holy shit! Look how
Feindliche
many.
MG-Schütze! Da drüben!
Jesus.
Where you guys at? I'm gonna,
Objective Delta is lost.
no, where are you at? I'm gonna come with a truck. Okay.
I'm nothing to pose. You have too much money.
Objective Dora is now ours.
Schwerer Beschuss! Lenkt sie von mir ab!
Whoa! The sniper. Yeah, who you just spawned on? Get up and move. Bird, just move. There's a sniper. You got you. No, you got you. Move, move. Told you move. He's across from Charlie. He's on Charlie, but the left side of the main road.
Come on.
And Bird got killed. I saw the helmet flew off his head. I'm going for him. We got big enemy tank. Big
We
tank.
have lost Objective Emil.
Damn, there's a guy to my right
Guys
there.
out.
We have taken Objective Delta.
I got bluebirds that engage in it, I think.
Guys are sniping from Foxtrot.
There's a tank destroyer on this bitch right here. Let me jump on it. Ah, this bitch, get off! Look at the tank coming up the road. Let's see if we're gonna destroy that bitch. Oh shit, sniper! Right side, left side, Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's a guy behind us. Which means...
Enemy on Foxtrot side, shooting down. Oh, in the gun. Oh, I'm dead.
I got the gunner off the tank.